Guys, I want to do a quick unboxing of this Ulu knife that I got, and I'm gonna be using this to tie stuff in the kitchen and cut pizzas. So this is how it comes in the box. Super nice. We have a stand, which is high quality, high quality wood, very nice. And then we have the knife itself, and that's the size of it, and it looks super sharp, by the way. And that goes right here, if I can manage to put it in there. There you go. So now our Ulu knife has a little base where it can stay safely. Just gotta be careful with the edges over here and over here, because it doesn't cover that. So maybe a design improvement over here would be to, put the wood so it covers the whole thing. But yeah, you can use to cut pizzas, super easy. And just don't cut yourself, because like I said, it's super sharp. But I like the quality, I like the design. There it is. It's very clean design, no logos or anything on it, which is nice. This is from Coowolf. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and I am gonna go use this in the kitchen. Take care, guys. Bye.